Okay, everybody, I'm back reporting live from Oak Park, Illinois, February 2nd, 2011, blizzard of 011. There's some goofs out here that are attempting to shovel. Yeah, why don't you just leave it? The snow is so deep that if I tried to step in it, it would literally be past my knees. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Can you see the snow that's blowing? It's crazy. And I'm out in it. I'm out in it. It's crazy. I don't think I can turn into my parking garage today. Streets are absolutely deserted. Not a soul on them except police and your trusted reporter, Jay Johnson, here serving the greater good for the public of OP. Marianne, back to you in the studios. I think you've got some breaking news on Cairo.